Well, it's storming again, and now it's gonna be lots of rain coming in, and probably some thunder and lightning storming in through here now. And so I guess it's just a little vlog to continue on from yesterday's vlog, I think. Yeah, yesterday's vlog. Well, I guess that's for your voiceover. But to continue on to that, yeah, we have storms in our lives, and sometimes you just have to weather through them and keep going forward. And as the storm grows, just hold fast and it will pass. So this is a quick little vlog. This is Macklin Vance, sign off.